Hello guys, welcome back to the Fast Track. Today we are going to learn the new automation which is currency conversion automation. So suppose we have the data in Excel sheet like input currency, output currency, input amount, output amount. For current time we are using only two input, but even if there are 1000 data or 2000 data we can process the same. And what it will do basically, suppose we have to find the currency conversion. So let us we are just select this site xrays.com, go to the first site, and after that it will take the input, and after clicking on this we will get the output. So we have to find out this output amount and we have to rewrite here back. So for two input amount it is okay, but what if we have 1000 data or 2000 data? So it is not possible every time we are just clicking here and get the output and rewrite back to here. So instead of this we are just automate in such a way that it will take input amount from here, and after once the output amount here populate it will rewrite back to here. So how we are doing this, let's know in this video. So first we have to open the application of Blueprism. Once the Blueprism application started, so it will look like this. So we have to do nothing, like we have to go to the Studio tab first, and after in Studio tab we have two process. One is process and one is object. So we will create first object. Like suppose we are creating. I already completed this task, so I directly go to the solution, and I will tell you how to solve this one. So first go to the application modeler. Once you go to the application modeler do like when we want to start any application or we have to start any application from any site. So it will help you to redirect this page. So it will ask the enter the URL. So here I am writing the http://xtrace.com. So it is the famous site for currency conversion. Okay, so once everything is done, so click on OK. So after that what we have to capture in this, basically in Object Studio we are capturing for the input amount. So things we have to capture is input amount, this input currency, then output currency, and after clicking on this we have to store this data also. And once these things are done, so every time it will, suppose I am writing 250 and it is convert, but after when he take the another input, so for that it should not, here should be 0, right? So what we can do, either we can click on this home button, so here the amount is 1. This is what we want. So things we have to capture is currently, wait, I will tell you that. First, we have to create input amount. I will tell you what things we have to capture. Here we have to capture these things in input currency, input amount. Sorry, in input currency we have two things. We have to capture this. Like, just a second, I will tell you this way. Just a second. Okay, so what we have to capture the input amount. First thing we have to capture this, then input currency, this one, and output currency. Once this done, then we have to click on this click go. So we are capture this also. After that it should read the output. Here we will get the output, right? Like after clicking this, so we have to store this data also. So we are capturing this also, and after that it should be start from 0. So we are just capture this also. So these five things, sorry, six things we have to capture. I will tell you what are the things we have to click or unclick. So for input amount, these five things we have to capture. For input currency, these four things we have to capture. For output currency, you have to take these three as click. Then for click go, you can take this one. anyhow what our motivation is when we are clicking on this highlighting, so it should highlight that part. That's what we want here. Okay, so then read output. For read output we have only selected only two options. Okay, once these things are done, so here the first steps come. So first steps come with navigation. We are using this navigation to launch the application. So first step is to launch the application. So here we are just click the currency conversion. Here just we are moving, and here is the option to launch. So here just click on the launch, and we are just connect the start and end. So after that we have to write the input amount, right? So for input amount we have to set the start from the input. In the start what it will do, when we are doing in process studio, so it will ask the input amount. So in Excel sheet we are using in process studio, so wait for that. I will tell you how it is working, but currently we have to give the name as input amount. Whatever you wanted to do, rename, you can rename as. So input amount, it is in number, so just write. And it should be stored where it should be stored. Should be storing here input amount. Why we are storing? Because every time write one, what will do, it will take the input amount, right? And where it should take the input amount from input amount. In start we have stored this up. Okay, so after, just click OK. And after that, input currency. In input currency, same we are doing, we also passing from the start, and we are storing in that also. And in here we are also writing output currency also same. We are from save store in the output currency. Then after we are click OK, like this one. And after that we are storing the output data. Okay, so here we are using the reader one. And what it will do, it will just store. We are just storing. You can give any name to this, and just click on the store. Okay, here it is important to select the get current values, otherwise you will not get the final output. So select only the get current output to store the final output. Okay, so it will store here every time. So after that you should click on home. So we are using the navigation stage here for home. It should just click. Okay, nothing else. And after that it should terminate. So this is only the process level, oh sorry, object level. In next video I will tell you how to do the process level, and that will complete this task. Thank you for watching this video, hope you will like it.